Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A73, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Somewhere in here we should have our screen recording toggle, which for me it is visible right over here. Now if you don't see it at all, chances are you might need to add it by clicking right here on this pencil and then finding it somewhere below here, holding it and then dragging it over to the top, and once you drop it, it will get automatically added. Now once you see it, you can simply press on it. It will give us this overlay right here. It will allow us to select what kind of audio will be recorded. We have choice between mute, mic, or system sound. Now you will need to click on the middle option for that to pop up by default. Not sure what was showing up when I pressed on it, or when I pressed on the toggle itself. But in any case, we also have the close button that will just get rid of this overlay, and the record button, which is what I'm going to utilize right now. So you can see it's right now recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, you can click on the square. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. There we go. Now your screen recording will be located under a library and then screenshots. Now I know that this isn't a screenshot, but that's where the phone saves it by default. And it is making it a little bit easier to locate your screen recordings and screenshots later on once you want to come back to it sometime into the future. This will obviously contain all your screenshots and recordings in a single place, easy to locate. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.